Hello and welcome to a new episode of 360 English. Today we are going to discuss about SEBI's new proposal to regulate social media financial influencers, or otherwise called as Finfluencers, in a better way. Why SEBI is thinking of it? Because all of us know that many so-called Finfluencers, including me in many times, we used to suggest certain stocks, or sometimes we suggest certain products, etc., etc. Among the viewers of YouTube or the users of Telegram channel or whatever may be the social media, 90% of the viewers or the users are financially illiterate or moderately aware of the financial terms as well as its dynamics. So what's the end result of it? So whatever this financial influencer says, a brute majority of the viewers think the data is authentic and credible. Moreover, the herd mentality is something like when someone comes in public and tells something, they think that that must have some credibility or that all are facts. Unfortunately, it's not like that. The people are talking about certain things, they might have their own hidden agenda. So let's first check a few videos or advertisement that came in YouTube. This is the first one. This video says 80% stock crash, recession in January, disaster is coming. What's wrong in this? This is more or less something we can consider just like a warning, isn't it? But at times some people use these kind of videos as a tool to drag the markets down and try to get the benefits out of that. This holds good, especially if that particular influencer has a lot of followers and they all are actively trading. One other thing is like this: earn daily 5,000 to 10,000 in stock market daily, free calls for intraday, unsolicited calls, or claiming that everyone can earn 5,000 to 10,000. Unfortunately, this will not happen. Those who are in stock market for quite a long time, they all knows that if you are a professional also, being there in the stock market also for quite a long time, no one can trade with 100% accuracy. But fortunately or unfortunately, people who are new to stock market, they believe these kind of videos as well as advertisements. And majority of these kind of videos are posted as YouTube advertisements. So its reach will be very high. The same strategy many influencers or many YouTube channels, they use for pump and dump scheme also. They give huge hype on certain penny stocks. By seeing those videos, some people jump into that and buy it in bulk. But when demand increases, obviously the price of that particular penny stock, without considering its fundamentals, also will go up. Once it goes up, the manipulators or the people behind these kind of advertisement videos, they start to dump their holdings. So poor investors who had believed these kind of ads, they get trapped. This is one classic example for what we have discussed now. Prestige polyline, current market price 40, target 125, second target is 250. Today you can see that that's on the upper circuit because many retailers start to buy it. At any point of time, this may come down or hit the lower circuits. This is one such video. Looks harmless. How the world's debt bubble would burst. Ray Dalio's latest warning. So the YouTuber tries to give some warning to everyone, and in the description you can find the motive of it. It's given as this crash is a great opportunity to buy US stocks. $10 will be credited to every funded account who signs up using this link. So the ultimate motive is not to warn the investors but for the referral commission. These kind of things we have seen with Vault crypto exchange, and now it's going on with Delta exchange. Many celebrities, many celebrated YouTubers as well as many other influencers, including the Telegram channels, they got the commission, they got the referral bonus for referring Vault and all those incredible platforms to the investors. The poor investors, they have invested in that and they lost money. Even some people, they will show you live investing. That may be true or false. But even if that's true, the advantage is, though they lost the entire money, the referral bonus they will get from the companies will be much higher than that they are losing by investing in that platform. All those things are hard to digest and hard to conceive for the common man. Apart from that, you can find a lot of Telegram channels which are giving humpty number of stock tips or option tips or future tips or commodity tips or cryptocurrency tips, etc., etc. So SEBI want to regulate all those things to save the poor investors from getting into these kind of traps. That was the intention behind SEBI. SEBI's all-time director Santosh Kumar Mohanty says that SEBI is working on these guidelines, and moreover, a simple disclaimer says that this particular video is just for education purpose. That will not suffice, or they are trying to make a framework to give an excuse like that and release videos. So what SEBI is proposing? SEBI is proposing that unsolicited guidance or tip provider should not exist. Instead of that, you can provide the tips or you can give some fundamental analysis on particular stock, provided you are a NISM certified research analyst or investment advisor. So we have to wait and watch how many of these Finfluencers will go for certification. Hardly very few. Because once you become an investment advisor, the problem is you can't trade in your account. How many of you will rely just on the YouTube revenue? That's also a matter of question. Many influencers claims that they are giving this kind of recommendations or analysis just as the part of financial literacy. But unfortunately, many a times it's not like that. Especially when you promote certain financial products without much responsibility on that, without much accountability on that. Ultimately, common man suffers. So, we should welcome the move by SEBI to regulate the so-called influencers. Let them be certified, authorized, and credible enough to come out with the analysis and suggestion. And let the fake coins as well as the business interests stay away from the market, and let it be a healthy arena to share knowledge itself. So that's all for now. See you in the next episode. Till then, bye from Hano.